Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya Net Foodish Ordar mapi Minwan Ramangi Hakerdob Ying Jongpi
Gsta Solution Training Academy haringkat kajangan trailang bak kami Lion State Skill Development Society hakan rutrik no opera arajar pausau klepun kuburam yagi shispa sepulai ngut ki Samla ki pendap pansyahi ke Pyntbit yalade hagi ko so per kum ha ka shat jing shat ka kamshna light shat cake bat kamshna jing shna haga diga jing kuburam ku long ha city hot dhaba shillong la sakilang the additional deputy commissioner jong East Khasi Hills district ka kong da likinti kharchiyeng ka SDO ka kong Audrey Khonglam ka Director Gsta Solution Training Academy ka kong Helin Antia Dingdo kibla sami ki sernat ba samru yiki tiar per shiki Samla kibla pendep yiki jing shahi kai Pyntbit ka kumukos ba kibla Pyntbit yalade.
This quote always helped me, in my entire journey of my life. It's from the book of Jeremiah, which says that, "For I know the plan I have for you, says the Lord, not to harm for you, but to prosper you." Okay? Now, don't let it moon of the Tajophi. One pinjol in Rayban, in Khasi say prosper, one pinbhai no. So this quote, is very, very important for you to ponder. You are here today because God has a plan and a purpose for you. Not everybody is born to be lawyers, to be teachers, to be government servant, right? But we are all born with different abilities, with different potentials, with different skills. Okay? So this is God's greatest gift to each and every one of us. That is why we are here today. Okay? So you should take and accept this. Alright? So all of you are here and you are graduating today. Today marks a very important day in your life. Why? Because today you will be receiving a certificate. But now you are all skilled workforce. No? Do you agree with that? Papan bit yapi, hello kasap kapong kaba uplay ula ay kapang yapi. Kia pidekan burong at pediang niya kata. Mo, kumbalaong. Some of you are bakers here. Some of you are electricians here, right? Don't give a chef, give a number chef in a different way. Traditional snack that we the training, right? You have come to this training because you have the skills and the ability to come, and you have just come forward to polish the name. So respect that. No, you are here for a reason. He will prosper you. He will not hamper you. So kuno kakam kabaki tray. Kade kakam kabau tray lamang kapang na kabanda jodi. But kade kakam kabadalunong. No, dignity of labor will respect kakam kabau tray la akasap ipi tray. No, pidon ye kajinang kajintip kajin kuno ban penyat kakam kajongki shekman. But today, marks a very important day in your life. But what is the next step? What is the next step that you have to do? You have to proceed further. It does not end today. Today is just the beginning. Remember that. More. Today, you are a certificate as well as your startup. You are excited? You are not excited, girl? Yes. But it does not end here today. Some of you are a certificate and startup. You should make use of those startup. More. Maybe you may not have the capacity or the ability to come immediately. Maybe your financial problem, many give problems. Because I the startup. Done not come immediately. And I say immediately means from tomorrow start. More. Done not come. Let me be very blunt. yen. No. Makin yen, makin sedang, makin kamai, makin yen yang lagi jom kita. This is the main objective of Skills Meghalaya. I believe all of you know what is the objective of Skills Meghalaya, right? I've come to your institute every time, to your training center, and I've counseled you many times. Then, lera ni menpanchipan ni Kiba, kemudian. So, kajing ay kajong ini startup kalong ha, sedang menteri lekang. That's what we wanted you to do. Okay. So, as I mentioned earlier, it does not stop here. It does not end here. The certificate kabakin yo, it will help you in the long run. Kapan yan lang lagi education mat, mo. Bakin yo skills, bakin yo kilo kilang jingyara. Bakin la bakin insan yang kaka kam kejoki, mo. Henry kabakong san today ba, you should be willing. Dakajing mon Lajong bakin iban sedang menteri. Sementara layu itu open, mungkin ini craft bakers. You don't have to open a shop immediately. Pila han sedang hayin saja Lajong menongmo. Hayin. Or if you have ke kamera dan ke sem hayin, you can start. It's no never no I have to open a shop. More. You don't have to open a shop right now. Start at home. Like Samla, it's not enough. You will gain more experience and exposure when you start working. More. Shua mapin train, mapin Seng mo, mapin train daladio, train shua but more about no. Work under somebody first so that you will gain more experience. If you come to me now, what no, I will not take you. Let me be very blunt. More. I'm not shame with you. Why? Because kita pendapkan sahasan pemain yang patshanya. You see? But if you have the experience, that you don't get experience, anytime, anywhere you go, everybody will hire you. See? So from where you will get that experience? It's only when you start working under somebody else, right? More. So I'm urging you today, if Greater Solution offers you with a placement opportunity, please grab that opportunity. Don't look at the salary at this point of time. Don't look at the package at this point of time. More. What can craft bakers and traditional snack makers do? What nung patpet ya kajingyo kajongki? Start small. I know that. Nung kapidang susdang. What nung do mensin nongi nga kamay tang sanspa ang spa shibinay. Mo naka business ka baki pitre. If that is your profit, if 500 or 600, 1,000 is your profit, that marks success. Kapag ka kajingyo kajongki, you can improve and enhance your skills and your kajingyo kajongki whereby.
We're excited to celebrate the completion of our training program and receive our certificates today. And I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the MSSTS for the opportunity to attend this training craft baker. It was both an enlightening and enriching experience. The knowledge and skills imparted will be invaluable in my professional development, and I am eager to implement what I have learned. These skills throughout my journey benefits, and I would like to express, and I will also appreciate our teachers and mentors for their invaluable support throughout this journey. Lastly, I would like to thank this training center for this opportunity and for creating a great learning environment. Thank you.
Traditional snacks and surgery maker. Nikung Shah mà ai cũng lấy là cái SSDS cầu lại liên lạc về tiền tiền và relatif dan beliau yang training na kita jadi kena antara materi kuat kita juga buat di minggu beliau ya di kamar ini aku beli bah karena di mana training dalam untuk mandor yang kalau itu jadi but penangkam yang kamila, kulit pakai kamila, le ada ini. Pas ada itu ya kak, mereka solution training academy kalau ka institute ka penyat mereka pendidikan yang ini di skill di bawah ada SDS. But kado kalau ma aku boleh yang mereka ini, bah kita lah berpeluang yang dari baru sebagai but nanti akan tahu di mana yang ini karena
Next, Gilbert Maulid. Next, Hamid Dondor Koshe. Next is Randall Manhala Koshe. Please come forward. Joey Brian Pascal.
I take this opportunity to thank Better Solutions Training Academy, Madam Suman Goswami, the director, as well as David Tintor, also director, for having helped so many training for our youth in our district in collaboration with MSSDS and the Office of the SDO for Audit Conduct, who also works under the Deputy Commissioner under the District Administration. I thank Dr. Audrey also for attending this program and giving me so much information regarding what are the skill programs that have been held within our district, especially from this particular academy. I'm so happy and privileged to be here, to know that this academy has been doing such a great job. So happy, and I hope that you'll keep on working hard, especially for our youth, keep them supported, give them the support they need, give them the motivation, so that they'll be able to stand on their feet. Thank you so much, Director Solutions, and thank you, trainees, also for attending this program organized by Director Solutions. Today, I just want to tell you a little about a story from the Bible, from the Gospel of Matthew 25, 14-30. This is a parable of Jesus, which talks about the story of a master who entrusts his wealth to 3 servants before going for a long journey. He gave each one, according to their abilities, an amount of money, which you call a talent. It's a huge sum of money. One received 5 talents, another 2 talents, and the third only 1 talent. While the master was away, 2 of the servants doubled the value given by him to them, while the third servant buried the money and earned no return. When the master returned, he rewarded the wise servants and was displeased with the third servant. What is the lesson learned from this story, from this parable? We need 3 qualities: stewardship, taking care of what abilities we've been given. Okay, we have all been given God-given abilities, each one of us. Then investment. What is the principle? of multiplying and growing what we've been entrusted with. Accountability. The understanding that we will be held responsible of how we use our resources. Responsible to ourselves and responsible to God. Whatever we have been given by God, the talents, the abilities, it's for His purpose, so we should not waste our lives. Okay? Some of the qualities that we should have. Being grateful. Grateful for what we have. You have to stop comparing with others, but plan our dreams according to His purpose. And then we should have perseverance, not to give up. As for what he had already said, we should be patient, especially for those who are just done this thing for the first time. You need to learn, you need to experience more, otherwise people will not trust you. If you have been placed under any contractor or any organization, you work hard, with sincere efforts, so that you earn a reputation for yourself. You'll be certified. Okay, it doesn't matter if you come out from this training with little knowledge, but through experience you gain more and more knowledge. And that will help you in the long run when you want to start your own business. We should have an enterprising attitude. We should be sincere in our work, as I've already said. We should be able to work as a team. Suppose sometimes you cannot work alone, we can form a group. And we can work together as a team. We should also acquire more knowledge. And what is the attitude towards clients and customers? This is a service industry, definitely. We should always try to please the customers. We should not, the way we treat them. That's how people become loyal to us. Our customers become loyal to us only if we are very much good to them in the way we express ourselves towards them. If we give a very bad attitude and we should smile often, we should always give a happy face, even if we are down, so that we earn more customers, we earn more clients. Okay? Reduce all those negative comments from others. Whenever other people comment, give you negative feedback, that negative feedback should put you down. It should make you understand if there's something in you that you have made mistakes, okay? Then maybe you can improve yourself on that particular skill or ability. You should have a positive attitude always be optimistic, okay? You should have faith in God, faith in yourself, and always hope. Always hope, just like what you already said. We have a plan. God has made a plan for you, and to prosper and to harm you. A plan of the future and a hope, okay? You should deal with others just as we would like to be dealt with. Okay? The empathy. Nobody even investments. Shah scheme in the Nami Syrian Papi, Ibatan Bangas, the Syrian Bopatan, the Kuman invest. Iburan scheme, what is scheme around this IC government departments in banks. And then one important thing is to plan your business well. You have to make a proper business plan. How to reap returns, how to earn profits. Okay? And then you should also have this unique selling point. Hey, some you don't have to the activities, skills, but you learn now. There's so many things that you'll be doing, right? Most people will also be doing the same thing. So what is your unique selling point? You have to be different a little bit to attract the clients, okay? You have to search something unique, something unique about your particular business. Okay. And then, to end this speech, I will also again quote another word from the Bible, Proverbs 22:29. It says, do you see someone skilled in their work? They will serve before kings. They will not serve before officials of low rank. Kita ibarat istiwa, kita ibarat mereka kamu benar benar dunia mah. Hindi lang maging trader, hindi beliau ki You have to keep on working hard, keep on learning more skills also. Okay? In everything you do it as you do for the Lord. If you do it for yourself, sometimes you don't do it well. If you do for others, you don't do it well. But you know that God will touch you one day. So you do it, whatever you do it for the Lord.
Okay. Training ke bangi ai ke dina Greater Solutions Training Academy ringkat bat ka MSSDS Meghalaya State Skill Development Society. Te ki training ki ba ni ai hang ni ki long prepare ni ai ki craft bakery, assistant electrician, traditional snacks, ni kai ki bikin shna furniture, ki bamboo furniture, ki shang ter bon ha ki trainings. Mentakas ni le ka certificate distribution but PE hadian jungi kita ki startup tools, the craft bakery ni ai yaki oven but yaki electricians ni ai ki drills, yaki traditional snacks ni ai ki gas stove but ki tershat. Ti kini startup tools ki dei banyarap ki kena ladap ki training nang bakin yo kamai but kinyang halap ki jong ki kijat. Te ni kerpat ya blok ki kena one join show ikni training mar ka dei ka ba yarap ba ya ka society jongi berok ka wei hi ya ka economy jongi hi berok ka wei hi nomor mata berthai bom don jam don kam sarkar don e tikini ki trainings ki yarap ha ya berok te sobha bane one join but shim ya kini kabu ko pinjo ikni free trainings with startup tools. Kani ke training center ni long empanel da government te ki bu yangi ki pun ki kendon ki bengi haban pendap nang bangla ban regam bat ki te ni don ru 28 centers bangla set up in the state of Meghalaya different village te ki empanel ini but ki Shah even training kini ki centers. Entah she spotlight South Live. She spotlight students. Kini ke training ke free of cost.